airplane with airplanes!
Lightning McQueen, he's in our video again. Lightning McQueen, what are you doing? Okay, pick your favorite. Which one? Pick one. Oh, that's a good choice. Show us. What color is that?
Orange!
Yeah, you got it! So, let's see. We have some yellow ones. Oh, that one's really cool. Oh, I like this one. I like this one. What color is this?
Blue!
And orange, huh?
Wait. 6.
Ah, you want that one? You're giving me this one? That one's cool, huh?
Yeah. I want this one.
Oh, yeah.
Wow! Wow!
Shh. I scare you?
Yeah!
What colors do you see? Whoa, look at that one. Here's a question for you. How many wheels does that airplane have?
1, 2, 3.
3! Yeah, you did it!
Red. And this airplane. Where's this airplane too?
Whee!
Also, this on this. Oh, it goes fast.
Yeah. What is this? What is this? That's a big airplane thing. What is this from?
Oh!
That's from Paw Patrol.
Yeah.
And what is that? That's a helicopter?
Yeah.
Oh, yeah. What color is it?
Wait.
Nice. Lady McQueen's trying to steal the show. Get out of here. What?
Nothing so.
Oh, he's not stealing the show. Okay, we can bring him back. Come on, Lightning, you can come back. But we're doing airplanes today. What movie is this from? What is this one? What movie is this from? This is from the Dusty Crop Hopper, the Planes movie.
I'm just a love machine.
And this is Dusty Crop Hopper.
Yeah! I put airplane trees.
You what?
I put airplane trees.
You put the airplane to the trees.
Yeah, look.
Oh my gosh, let's go look. Oh, I found one. There's another one. Oh my gosh, there's the jet. Where are? Oh my gosh, look at that one way back there.
Yeah, I put that one.
Yeah, there's a red one right there.
Yeah, I put that one there.
There's an orange one.
Yeah, I put that one there.
Do you guys see a silver one? A gray one? There it is. Right there it is. Right there it is. Right there it is. I found it. What about the
I got one there.
the red one? Oh yeah, that one's silver too. What about the red or
The 2 red ones.
what about the red and blue one? Do you guys see the red and blue one anywhere? There it is. Right there. Right there. Right there. Right there. I found it. It's right there. Okay, let's go ahead and count them. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11. Oh my gosh, there's a bunch of them. 12, 13, 14. Did I miss any? 14? Did I miss any? Oh, wait, here's the helicopter. 15. Is that it? Did we get them all out of the tree? I think so. 15 airplanes fit in the tree. Oh my gosh! Oh my gosh! Your mark, get set, go! So I guess that one won because it's further than that one. It won. You go. Go down the slide. Yay!